So you're going to trace around a block. So you can just watch me do this. Okay, so you have your block. To do this on the flat pattern, you simply choose where you want your dart to be. Okay, so if you want it to be in the neck, you just draw that line in that position. Okay, if you want it to be in the arm side, you draw that line from the position you want the dart to the bust point. That's what's really important. Okay, if you want it here, I stay away a little bit from the center front ones maybe to start with, just because they do confuse people a little. So it might be easier to go from the neck, shoulder, arm side to waist, you know, work on those ones a bit. The center front ones are a little more confusing looking. So what I might do is, maybe I'll do a French dart. So French dart would be from here, this corner, the waist, to the bust point. And it's going to take in both darts. So I'll show you what that looks like. That line that I just drew, I should have drawn a scissors on it, it's a cutting line. So I'm going to cut along that line and I'm going to close over all of my other shaping, all my other darts. And I'm going to see what shape results. This is the thing that you need to understand, that you just close over the darts and it springs open to a given amount. You don't measure how much it opens to, or there's no measurement involved. So I can even do it like this by just coming in. I'm not even going to cut this out, but because I can simply cut along my cutting line, it's my French dart line, and close this over. So I'm going to close that over. And as I do that, you see it opening, but then I still have this one, and I'm going to close that and okay, so I'll move it over here so you can see the end result. It's very quick if you know what it is you're doing, you know? So you could take ages to pin it up and get in the fabric and like maneuvering around. So if you know where you want the dart, it's simply like that. Where I want the dart, line, cut, you know, fold, and there, you're done. So that's, and it's a good example of why sometimes flat pattern drafting can be quicker with certain things.